Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fry your plantain and serve your family. I have here the ripe plantain. This is a very rich food because plantain contains a lot of protein. It gives you vitamin in the body. It is very good for the family and for the health. So I have already cut few ones inside here. This is my bowl of water. The reason why I had to put it inside water is because here you can see as it's being bought, I had to cut it and so that I can wash it inside the water before slicing it. That is the reason why I had to put it inside the water to wash it. So after washing it, I have to cut it, put the knife this way, open it. I had to wash it so that there will be no sand in the body of the plantain. So after this, I won't be washing it again. So this is a very rich food. Both the ripe plantain and the unripe plantain are very rich in the body. The unripe plantain gives you iron in the body, and the ripe one gives you protein and minerals in the body and contains lots of vitamins. And now be slicing it into the shape I want. And after this, I'll be adding little salt in it and mix it together. You can always slice it the way you want. For my own, I like it this way so that it looks presentable. Now after slicing it, I'll be adding a little pinch of salt inside, and I'll then mix it together. Just throw it this way. So now I'll be frying it. Place my fry pan on the fire. So now I'll be adding groundnut oil inside the frying pan. When preparing something for your family, you have to be using a low cholesterol oil so that it does not go and form in the heart. We have oils that are good and we have oils that are not good for the health. There are some oil that forms lumps in the body, which is very dangerous to the heart and to the body. You can see now that the oil is hot. I had to put just little quantity of onions inside. The reason for this is so that the oil will steam the onions and bring out its aroma, and will now give the oil a nice aroma, so that while I'm frying my plantain, it will give the plantain a nice taste. Now it's time for me to put the plantain inside the frying pan. So this is gonna be a morning breakfast for the family. I am going to be serving this with rice and stew with egg inside. So while your plantain is on the fire, it depends on how you want the color of the plantain to change to. So I'm now turning the plantain. Now we bring them out. If you love this video, thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share my video with your friends and families. Always come online and search for Ukeme TV and tap the bell for notification of new videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share my video with your friends and families. This is a very interesting channel where you learn how to prepare so many meals, varieties of meals for events, for party occasions, whatever you have. You can always contact me and I'll be there to deliver good services for you at your doorsteps. And here is rice that is on the fire, all for the morning breakfast routine. Also here is egg, which I'm going to be using also. Going to be serving one person to one. I'm going to be serving it with the food It has already been cooked. Wonderful morning breakfast for the family. This is a very lovely food, and everyone is gonna enjoy this food. Now I'm going to be peeling the egg. This egg has already been boiled. This is going to be a family breakfast routine. Here is the rice ready for consumption. If you love this video, thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share this video with your friends and families. We added watermelon to the morning breakfast because we need some fruits to take. Enjoy watching this video and don't fail to click on the bell. Here is the watermelon that was blended here. Going to be taking this with spoon as your ketchup. And here is a sliced one. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye.